Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to see who subscribed to you on YouTube. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you need to find out who is subscribed to your channel, then watch this video to the end and you will learn how. So in the upper right corner click on the channel logo and select YouTube Studio. Our dashboard opens and we scroll down and see recent subscribers. Click see all and here we can see who subscribed to your channel and the subscription date. Please note that only those people who have opened access to the subscriptions are listed here. You can also choose the period for which information is needed and view all the pages. That's how easy it is. Also watch my other videos about YouTube at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.